This is James's first experience of bubbles. Oops. They're so funny, aren't they? Yeah, they're so funny. Well, let's make some different shapey ones. Okay, ready? Ready? Oh, where did those ones go? Look at all those. Ready? There we go. Oh, look at that one. Okay, ready? Where did those ones go? There we go. That was funny, eh? Oh, that was so funny.